Hi, hello everybody, and once again we're happy to launch from Harley-Davidson of Manila. My name is Luigi of Vehicle Sales. Our Model 2022 Sport Touring models. On my left is a Road Glide Special, and right behind me is our Street Glide Special ST models. Very excited to launch these new models, and very timely also for the riding season. I think summer is just around the corner, restrictions have been brought down, and we're happy to offer our new sport touring models.
The Street Glide ST and the Road Glide ST are newly launched product right now.
These vehicles are packed with lots of features and benefits, all of which are packaged into safety, performance, appearance, durability, as well as efficient and customization. Okay, not to make any distinction, being part of the dealership, both are ideal bikes. One of the questions asked earlier, the difference primarily is there's not much of a difference, both performance, engine-wise, features-wise. The main difference that one would choose from is that the fairing of the Street Glide goes along with the steering. Magkasama siya. The difference with the Road Glide, being particular, is that fixed yung kanyang fairing. So there are some who prefer that and are not bothered that when you're turning, yung fairing mo nandun pa rin. It stays in one place. It's just a matter of preference. Both are ideal. It's just a question of your character, your personality, and how you see yourself riding the Harley-Davidson. All right, once again, thank you very much for coming over this afternoon for our Model 22 Sport Touring model launch. And we'd like to invite everybody, come over to EDSA Green Hills, as well as our Fort BGC showroom. Come and see, talk to our sales consultants, see the right bike that best fits you, your riding style, your personality, and we hope to see you on the showroom as well as on the road. Keep safe, everybody. Thank you.